máa ń lẹ́ o ará ilẹ̀ yìí o. Ọdẹ ọdún bí ẹ máa kúnlẹ̀ ọ̀wọ̀ fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kí lọ́balọ́ba àti ìjòyè o. Ọ̀wọ̀ fúnlẹ̀ àtàlejò.
This man is a proponent of the Yoruba language. He teaches and speaks it, and actually has a game show for Yoruba language, and he shoots it right here in the studio. And this is a TV station as well, Suzemwa TV. And this guy is one of my partners and does this program here. All right, so I told myself, oh, Brazilians have some people who manage to speak the language.
Yes.
So yes. I invited him that he should come. Okay.
Who speaks Yoruba?
Anybody speaks Yoruba amongst you? Or understand?
You cannot lose me, you see?
Fọwọ́ ilẹ̀ mi wọ̀ mí o, bọ̀wọ̀ fún lé mi ká mọ̀ jà. Ọ̀nà ara mi bá ń kárẹ̀lẹ̀, ìgbà yìí ló máa mọ̀ bí ń ṣe sùn.
So this is Mason. Here you don't speak English. I'm speaking English to you because
you don't understand.
Because you don't understand Yoruba.
Yeah, no, I don't understand the Yoruba, but I'm gonna learn.
Yeah, you're going to learn.
Yeah, I want
right,
to
so
learn.
now let me tell you something.
Okay, so you can take a seat. Take a seat. How do you say come sit down?
Come sit down.
Then.
Come sit down.
Here.
It will connect to you, right?
So when you're here, you don't speak English.
Okay.
So the thrust of the game is to make sure that we preserve Yoruba language and culture, and to make sure you don't lose it in extinction. So Yoruba language is beyond language. It's life.
Yes.
So you are visitors here.
I forgot to translate. I'm starting to talk. She knows.
You know. So what's visitor? What's visitor in Yoruba? What's visitor in Yoruba?
She knows.
You know what visitor is in Yoruba?
No, because this is visitor.
Alejo.
Alejo. It's called alejo. Should I break it down for you so you understand?
What is a visitor in your language?
Visitant.
All right. So I think you should adopt alejo. You know why?
Alejo.
Because it explains who you are.
Alejo.
So
alejo.
alejo.
100 times, maybe you're gonna be.
Wait, it's coming from the word le, which means addition. Le is addition, and the word jo is to leak. To leak. When something is leaking, maybe water is leaking. So when you are counting people here today, now you are alejo. You have come as an addition, only to leak off in the next 5 minutes. Right. So Yoruba teaches you life. We don't do arbitrariness. So you come here as an addition, only to go off in the next 5 minutes or 2 or 3. Right. So we explain words the way it should be. You see it. Right. So you say alejo. It's descriptive. Say alejo. Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
You just said I'm a visitor.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo
I
nimi.
am a visitor.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi. You are off the beat. Alejo nimi. Alejo nimi. Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alejo nimi.
Alright, so great. So this is Maso Igbo. Don't speak English. Maybe we should have don't speak Portuguese to it also, so you don't get it. It's mi 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 do re mi. All the music you sing, all the songs you sing, they are from do re mi.
Yes, yeah.
This is the only drum that talks in the world. Only. So we're giving you.
No, come on, you want to play?
No, it's a gift. Presentation.
Ele quer que você faça. Ah, é presente.
Okay. I present.
How do I say that? How do I say that in Portuguese?
I want to say
How do I say that in find this.
Presente para você.
Presente para você. You're mysterious.
Presente para.
Presente
Para.
para
Huge problem.
você.
Be my enemy.
Prevent,
Not
Presente. Presente.
prevent, presente.
I got you.
Para você.
Okay, so you can try and play.
Take it for me.
Say it in Yoruba.
Oshé.
Oxê.
You know, share is to do. So if I haven't done anything, you won't say Oshe. That means you've done it.
Oxê, I want to say Oxê for you. I want to say Oxê for you.
I'll sort you out.
Oh my God! Porque você sentou aí. Entendeu? Você se deu bem. Eu falei pra ele que era você que ia tentar, eu me dei mal.
Raquel se arrependeu. Thank you.
Mas eu queria dar uma honra pra ela. O que eu não podia fazer? Thank you so. No, again, this is
This
is an important instrument for griot. This is for me as grand pleasure e uma honra. Como falar? Uma honra porque I understand
So
big significant.
we made some.
You know what that means? Sagrado. This is
We made
sagrado.
some outfits.
This
It's like a robe.
is I have una casta. This
I'll still give you the job.
communication entre our people.
Oh.
I understand your culture. I love your culture. Yes, my culture. Então, as very,
so-
very, very good. Very, very
Yeah.
good.
So yes, we have the other ones for every other person.
It's a very significant.
Love it?
Thank you.
I understand.
Wọ́n wá yín bó kọrin, mo kọrin. Torí báyẹn
lókè mẹ́sì òun kò yí kára ó lé kókó tákìlà ńkọ́ mọ́ba lókun ọ̀fẹ́ là ń kí jagunjagun ọba tó kó gbogbo wọn jọ là ń kí ní kábíyèsí o. Samba.